All right, guys, you seen that title in the thumbnail, and we got another one of those quick and easy one-pot meals. I'm gonna show you how to make this beef, pepper, and rice skillet. Y'all ready? Get in your kitchen, let's go. All right, so let's go over the ingredients real quick. And remember, these ingredients can be found on my website at ijustcookalot.com or allwingseverything.com. I don't know why people always ask me, where are the measurements? I'm telling you, it's right there on the screen. You just gotta pay attention to the video. So right here we have our beef broth, crushed tomatoes, our ground beef. We got our rice here. Yes, I've already washed it and rinsed it. Some Italian seasoning. Right here in these three dishes, we have some bell peppers, red, green, and yellow. Fresh chopped garlic, black pepper, salt, some onions, and we have our olive oil right there. So that's all you need. Let's get into it. All right, to get started, we're gonna turn our heat on. We're gonna put this over medium heat. We're gonna heat up our olive oil. Next, we're gonna go in with our onions and our garlic, and we're just gonna saute these until fragrant. This could take maybe about 2 to 3 minutes. And once you get that fragrance that you're looking for, we're gonna go in next with our ground beef. And we're just gonna get this broken up and cooked until it's brown, which is all the way through. And we're gonna crumble this up as we go along. I'm gonna hit this with a little salt real quick. And I'm gonna hit it with a little pepper. And we're gonna just continue to cook this till it's brown. All right, so after those few minutes and you've browned your ground beef, if you need to drain the excess grease out of here, you can. Mine typically never has any grease. Not enough for me to drain, just that flavor for me. We're gonna go in next with our peppers. I'm gonna go in with the red ones, and it doesn't matter which order you put it in, the yellow ones and the green ones. And we're just gonna get these babies sauteed in here until they're softened. So this could take several minutes. I would say around about 5 minutes. All right, so after about 3 minutes of letting those veggies saute, we're gonna go in with our salt, our pepper, and our Italian seasoning. And we're gonna get that mixed in here, and we're gonna allow this to finish cooking for another 2 to 3 minutes to allow those flavors to come together and those veggies to continue to soften. All right, so after that 3 minutes, we're gonna go in with our rice now. And once we get everything coated and that rice slightly toasted, we're gonna go in with our crushed tomatoes and our beef broth. And you wanna get this mixed in real good. If you gotta add a little bit more beef broth, you should. We're gonna allow this mixture to come to a slight simmer. As you can see right now, it's bubbling up, it's at that slight simmer. We're gonna reduce our heat to low. We're gonna get a top, cover that baby up, and we're gonna let this cook until the rice is tender, which could take probably about 10 to 12 minutes, all right? All right, guys, so we're about 15 minutes in. I allowed mine to cook for 15 minutes. I also had to put a little bit more beef broth in there to make sure that rice can cook and get tender like we want it. So let's take a peek at this baby. That's what I'm talking about. All right, so now all we're gonna do, we're gonna turn this off. We're gonna bring this baby over here to our cutting board. And guys, as you can see, I got some cheese right there. Yes, I call it audible. So now let's take our top off. We're gonna give that baby a quick stir. As you can see, man, look at that. Whew, baby looking good right there. But you know something? It ain't easy being cheesy. Why not add a little cheese on top of this thing? So we're gonna add a little cheese over here like this. You don't want much, just a little bit. I'm gonna cover this baby back up just for a minute, allow that cheese to melt, about a couple minutes, and we're gonna come back. All right, so it's been a couple of minutes. Let's remove our lid. Put that baby over here. Oh man, that baby looking good now. I'm telling you, that baby looking good. And you know we're gonna end it up with some of that what? Say it with me. That green stuff. There you have it, guys. Beef, peppers, and rice skillet. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. We're gonna go ahead and jump into quality control because we gotta do a taste test on this baby. Let's grab this bowl. We about to do something special. You already know that baby cheesy. Let's go ahead and get to it. Baby hot. Listen, this baby delicious. And it kind of tastes like Mexican rice a little bit, but not quite, because you got the cheese in it. And with Mexican rice, at least when I make it, I always add some tomatoes, whether it's crushed tomatoes or diced tomatoes. So other than that, tastes delicious. To be honest with you, my daughter loved this because this was her recommendation. So until then, guys, y'all already know who I am. This is All Wings Everything. And remember, him not a chef, him just cook a lot. And now I'm out. Peace. Oh man. Bingo.